Today, I'll show you how to make your own chocolate milk powder using just 4 simple ingredients. 500 grams powdered sugar, 100 grams cocoa powder. You can use either natural cocoa powder or alkalized cocoa powder. 398 grams full cream or whole milk powder. And lastly, 2 grams of salt. Here's how to prepare your homemade chocolate milk powder. First, weigh all the ingredients accurately. Blend until the mixture looks even in color. So, blend. Sift the mixture to remove the lumps and ensure smooth and fine powder. So, sifting is a very important step. Lastly, place the powder in a clean and airtight container and store in a cool, dry place. That's it. Your chocolate milk powder is ready. You can easily adjust this recipe. Want it sweeter? Add more sugar and deduct the amount from the milk powder. Want it chocolatey? Add extra cocoa powder and deduct the amount from the milk powder. Prefer creamier? Increase the milk powder and deduct the amount from the sugar.